Hello students, this is a tutorial on how to join Google Classroom. To begin, log into your Muskego Norway School District email account. From there, head to the upper right-hand corner and click on the 9 little circles. From here, click on Google Classroom. Now if you do not see this icon on your list, scroll down, click on More from Google Workspace Marketplace, type in Google Classroom and add it to your account. After, head back into your email, click on the Google Classroom icon, and now you have entered the space in which you can join the Google Classroom. There are 2 ways in which you can join. The first is heading into Infinite Campus and noting who your teacher and the section in which you are listed in or enrolled in. After grabbing that information, you're going to head into the Google Classroom page on the Online Health website, and you will grab your Google Classroom code. So copy this, head back into where you can join Google Classroom, click on the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner, click Join Class, paste the code, and click Join in the upper right-hand corner. The second way in which you can join is an email from your teacher. They will be sending you the code to join the Google Classroom, and you would follow the same process in which I just showed. And that is how you join Google Classroom. If you have any further questions, please connect with your teacher. Have a great day. Bye.